In this video tutorial you will see where the auxiliary battery is located and how to remove it on the Mercedes-Benz E-Class W212, in just 5 easy steps. When you need to replace the auxiliary battery in your car, you will also have the message "Auxiliary Battery Malfunction" on display. Because of the auxiliary battery malfunction, the car also has different problems like blind spot assist inoperative, which means that blind spot assistance system is not working. Also, these messages can also appear due to a weak car battery, and here we are referring to the main battery from the engine compartment. In some cases, after changing the main battery, we no longer had problems with the auxiliary battery, and the messages on the display disappeared. 1. Open the trunk and lift the carpet. Two. Pull aside the carpet on the right side of the car. 3. Unscrew the nut from the metal support of the auxiliary battery using a 10mm socket. 4. Unscrew the 2 screws from the negative and positive terminals using a 10mm socket. 5. Disconnect the auxiliary battery vent tube. Pull it outwards. Lift the metal bracket and remove the battery outwards. The auxiliary battery must be replaced according to the code on the top, starting with a 000. Find auxiliary battery for Mercedes-Benz below in the video description. If you have other suggestions for new video tutorials with Mercedes-Benz E-Class W212, write to us in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe Tutorial Auto channel. Thank you for watching.